All right, guys. You know, you've probably never heard of this indicator before, but it boosted my win rate by over 90%. So stick around and I'll show you how you can use it in your own trades. Right now, we're on GBP CAD on the daily time frame. Okay. And the indicator that I created is called the HBS scanner. Okay. And what this scanner does is scans for high probability setups in the market. So you never, ever, ever have to pay for signals. Okay. And it works for um, all instruments, stocks, futures, funds, forex, crypto, indices, options. It works for any and every instrument you can trade. Okay. So let's go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see it. And here it is right here. Okay. You can put any instrument inside of this indicator and it'll scan the market. So right now we have a buy signal for GBP CAD on the daily time frame. Okay. If we look at the indicator here, cheat code indicator, it's actually lining up with the HBS scanner. We have a cheat code buy signal on the daily time frame. Okay. And so we'll be looking to buy GBP CAD here on off of the daily time frame. So let's go down to a lower time frame to show you that it works in alignment with the higher to lower time frame. Okay. So if we go to the 4 hour, you guys are also going to see what a cheat code buy signal. We also have another buy signal, which is a divergence buy signal, which is here in green, indicating that price is going to reverse. And then we also have a confirmation buy, which we use for our entries. Okay. So this is how that indicator works in the lines. You can already see that price has went up about, let's go ahead and measure how many pips already from this area here to here. It went up about 110 pips already. Okay. Now, I drew this box here because I'm always looking for price to come back and retest the low before I take an entry. So that's what we have here. This first leg is never the initial move. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame so you can see it better. All right, so you had your first initial move here. I'm looking for price to get back down to this demand area down here. And then I'll look to take an entry for that second leg up. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for here on GBP CAD. Again, this indicator tells you when to buy and when to sell. You just got to follow the rules. So one of our entry criteria that we have here on a 1 hour time frame is either going to be a confirmation sell, confirmation buy. So for this buy signal, we're going to be looking for a confirmation buy. And you can see that we do have that here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. We have the confirmation buy. And also we have our MACD, which also gives us a buy signal and tells us when to get in. The MACD lines up right there. It also gives you an alert to buy. It lines up with the cheat code, guys. All right. You just got to follow the rules. And I promise you, if you follow rules, you will win more than you lose. Okay. I can't guarantee that you won't have any losses, but I can guarantee that you will win more than you lose if you follow the rules with Vinny's trading cheat code. And this indicator is truly changing lives. Okay. Another thing, let's go to my other swing trading chart. So here on gold, I told everyone to sell gold. Let's go to our Telegram group. And here in our Telegram group, I had put this trade idea here, okay, for a gold swing trade. All right. I took a small position just to show everybody that the indicator truly, truly works here on Friday. And now, here are some of my current positions. I opened up about 5 positions, took some profit, and we're going to see how far gold has dropped since then. Okay, so let's go to back to this chart and let's go to a higher time frame, and we'll go to gold. Okay, as you guys can see, gold had an initial move down. Okay, we broke structure here. So that was another reason for me to want to look to take another sell on gold. Gold broke structure. After a break of structure, guys, there's always a pullback. Okay. There's always a pullback after a break of structure. So we had a nice break of structure down. Price came back up to retest this area here. And then gold starting to fall again. Okay. So we're looking for gold to get down somewhere to about 2480, this area down here for our official TP for this gold swing trade. Okay. And again, this trade is simply working out because I followed the rules of the cheat code, guys. If I turn on the indicator here, you guys are going to see a CC sale and a confirmation sale. So this gives me confidence to continue to sell gold until it reaches down here to our TP area here. Okay. So this is how this little known indicator boosted my win rate, by simply following the rules of the cheat code and waiting for the market to tell me what it wants to do. Okay. All you have to do is position yourself and wait for the market to tell you what it wants to do, and then position yourself in that direction, and you too can profit from trading. Okay. So if you want this indicator, go to Vinny'sTradingCheatCode.com. That's Vinny'sTradingCheatCode.com. There will be a link below this video, okay, where you can get this indicator. And there's training videos, tons and tons of training videos, how to use it for swing trading, how to use it for scalping. So we have two strategies that we use. We have a scalping strategy, which is our bread and butter strategy. And we also have a long-term strategy, which is our GSA strategy. Okay. So again, you can watch the videos and go back and watch the videos on how to use that in your trading. But again, link will be in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me introduce you guys to my number one trusted broker. They were acquired by, they acquired LQDFX a couple months ago, and this broker is called Plexi Trade. Okay. They make trading very, very easy as far as trading MT4 and MT5. So if you want to trade with MT4 and MT5, definitely get with Plexi Trade. Zero commission. The customer service is excellent. They always respond within a reasonable amount of time. And you can reach them 24 hours of the day, 5 days a week. They offer 1 to 2,000 in leverage, and they have different trading accounts. Okay. Very, very easy to register. With a micro account, your minimum deposit is $50. The silver is $300. Gold is $300, and the platinum VIP is $10,000. Just wanted to show you guys real quick with the withdrawal process. Here's a withdrawal that I did on May 31st. Here is another that I did here just recently on June 11th, and I do post these inside my free Telegram group so you guys can see. Where is it at? Let's see here. I think I passed it up. But just wanted to show you guys that, yeah, here it is. Just wanted to show you guys June 11th was the last withdrawal I did with Plexi Trade. Fast withdrawals, guys. No issues with them. So if you guys are looking for a trusted broker, please get with Plexi Trade. Thank you.